Let's pipe this pretty floral trellis cake together. First, I use my offset spatula to score diagonal lines along the bottom of the cake in both directions. This will lay down the foundation for our design. Then using tip 2, I pipe over those guides with wavy lines to look like climbing vines and stems. This will give us a place to plant our flowers and leaves. Cover the vines with lots of leaves using tip 352. This tip is shaped so that all you have to do is squeeze and it creates a pretty little leaf. Have all of them pointing upwards, but layer them in different directions so it looks more natural. This really is such a fun way to make a floral cake that is both unique and creative. Next, use tip 102 and overlap a few petals together to create a flowering bud. All you have to do is pipe strokes of buttercream in an upside down U shape to create each petal. I like to crisscross them slightly to build the flower. When you pipe a few petals, it looks like a young bud, and when you add lots of petals, it looks like it's starting to bloom. Having this variation of sizes helps the design look more interesting. Don't they look so cute growing along this trellis? Once you have most of the flowers down, feel free to go back and add more petals wherever you think they're needed. This design is very flexible. Now let's add in pops of yellow using tip 224. This is a drop flower tip and it creates the cutest little flowers. Next, let's add some contrast to the light pink flowers. Again, using tip 102, accent some of the existing roses with dark pink petals. This will help the flowers look less flat and bring them to life. Pipe a few single petals throughout the trellis to fill in large gaps. Alright, the final touch, little white sprinkles. This helps add some brightness to the design, and when placed on the cake, it looks like tiny little fillers that are growing along the vines. Super cute! I hope you enjoyed this fresh floral design.